Okay, good morning, Mr.
Yes.
Iqbal. Welcome to our company. Today is your section for job interview in our company. So we start with the first questions. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay. My name is Iqbal Muhammad Diatma. Currently, I am a 11th grade software developer student at IGN Portugal with a GPA is 5. Despite being a high school student, I have been working professionally as a full stack engineer, yes, especially in fintech or financial technology and Web3 sectors. I am proficient in the Laravel 12 ecosystem, React.js, and even a smart contract development using Solidity beyond coding. I am passionate about democratizing technology, which has led me to become a guest lecturer at the university like Amicom and a technical instructor for over 200 students across various cities. I consider myself a blend of a technical engineer and a communicator who aims to drive real-world social impact through scalable software solutions.
Okay, so thank you. The next, what interests you about this role?
Okay. What interests me is the opportunity to apply my specialized skills in the Laravel 12 and React.js to a platform that demands high performance and security. Having worked on core fintech platform and Web3 projects, I am drawn to roles that require more than just writing code. They require understanding the entire system architecture, from database migrations to responsive UI UX implementation. I see this role as chance to contribute to a modern tech stack while furthering my journey towards becoming a system expert, which aligns with my long-term goals of studying information system at the top university like University of Birmingham at Dubai.
Okay, so I need to know about your personals. What are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strength is a unique combination of technical versatility and educational leadership. Technically, I can manage end-to-end solutions from back-end logic with the Laravel to front-end user interface and PWA technology. On the leadership side, being selected as a guest lecturer from the university students at the age of 17 proves my ability to simplify complex concepts like AI and machine learning into actionable insights. This means I don't just build system. I can also mentor the team member and explain technical decisions to stakeholders efficiently.
Okay, so and the next, what about your greatest weaknesses?
Okay, my greatest weakness is balancing my high level of ambition with consistent execution. I have very big dreams, such as studying STMU or Tsinghua University or others, and sometimes I feel a gap between my goals and my daily willpower. There are moments when the pressure of being a student while working professionally in the Web3 space can be taxing. To overcome this, I have adopted a more structured, agile approach to my personal life. I use tools like Git for version control in my projects and similar spirit methodologies for my learning, ensuring that I make steady, measurable progress towards my goals without burning out. Okay.
Okay, so why do you want to work in this company?
I want to work in this company because your company values innovation and scalability. So, thanks, I am deeply committed. I have seen how you utilize Laravel and AI, and it resonates with my experience in building automated system like the quality management system I developed for ISO, compliance. I want to be in an environment where my skill in building mobile optimized PWA and integrate AI solution can be pushed to the limit. I believe my experience in high growth sector like fintech and blockchain will allow me to hit the ground running here.
Okay, thank you. And then back to your personal, how do you handle stress or pressure?
Okay. I handle a stress through structure and discipline, which is I have refined during my time at IDN, yeah, dealing with simultaneous roles as a student, a remote developer for Syariah Saham, and guest speaker requires extreme time management. Where projects get intense, like during an agile sprint or a system security audit, I focus on the data integrity and procedural transparency. I also draw strengths from my experience as a delegate at the Asia World Model United Nation, where I learned to stay calm and negotiate under high pressure, multicultural environments. Okay.
Okay, and then what about your achievement? What is your greatest achievement?
Okay, my greatest achievement so far is architecting and deploying a digitalized quality management system for Abu Hurairah Islamic Boarding School. I automate a 50 core ISO standard procedure into a unified modular PWA platform that supported the institution in maintaining the ISO certification. It wasn't just about the code, it was about transforming institutional governance through digital automation. Seeing my work have a direct impact on the efficiency and transparency of an entire organization gave me a true sense of what social and institutional impact through engineering looks like.
Okay, thank you. That's great achievement. And what do you think? Why should we hire you?
Okay. You should hire me because I am a force multiplier. I don't just bring my skills in PHP, JavaScript, and Solidity. I bring a track record of teaching those skills to others. I can develop performance web applications using the latest Level 12 features, but I can also help uh, bridge the digital literacy gap within a team. My background in fintech, Web3, and AI combined with my diplomatic experience at MUN makes me a developer who understands both the code and the broader business context. I am ready to bring the global standard driven mindset to your team.
Okay, and what mistake did you ever make while learning or working?
Okay, early in my journey, I often focus too much on the new, like jumping into smart contract and solidity before fully mastering the deep complexities of database relationships in backend system. This led to some initial inefficiency when I was managing database migration for Missense.id. I realized to build truly scalable software, I had to respect the fundamentals. I went to back and mastered eloquent relationship and some security audits. These mistakes shook me that in software engineering or developing, the boring foundational work is actually what allows for the most exciting innovation later on.
Okay, so and what is the last thing that you teach yourself?
Okay, the last things I taught myself was how to integrate the Google Gemini API with a visual blockchain for ML to create hands-on AI workshop. I wanted to move beyond theoretical AI and show people how to actually build something. I spent time in Google Colab and Teachable Machine to create a curriculum called Beyond the Canvas, which I eventually delivered at the University of America in Jogja. Teaching myself these tools allow me to empower others to use generative AI for business automation and digital transformation.
Okay, so for the last, do you have any question for us?
Yes, yeah, I do. Yeah. Based on your current roadmap, how does the team balance adoption of emerging technologies like Web3 or AI with the stability of your core platforms. Also, what are the expectations for a developer with a background like mine to contribute to the technical mentorship or internal workshop within the company?
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Iqbal. We will inform you for the further information via or your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you for your coming. Goodbye and see you.
Okay, thank you. Lam, Lam.